There was a time when my mornings felt rushed before they even really began. Like I would wake up and somehow already feel behind. My body was there, but my mind was already somewhere else. And over time, I started to notice it wasn't just what I was doing in the morning, it was how I was moving through it. You can do the same activity from a state of stress or from a state of peace. The choice is yours. The thing is, we're programmed to move fast. The world moves fast, and if we're not paying attention, we can easily get swept up and move at that same pace without even realizing it. But it doesn't have to be that way. We can choose to move differently, more slowly, more intentionally. And when you do that, even the smallest moments begin to feel different. Something I'm very intentional about is avoiding too much stimulation first thing in the morning, because the day is already full of enough of that. So I try not to reach for my phone right away, no notifications, no bright lights, just a calm, quiet space to arrive into the day. And it doesn't take a lot to create that calm, peaceful environment. Even something as simple as turning on the fireplace, it feels like an invitation to slow down. It creates a sense of calm, and something about it just feels grounding, like easing into the day instead of jumping straight into it. I also love making something warm to drink. Lately it's been lemon water with creatine. I'm really trying to be consistent with it, so I found that adding it to my water in the morning was the easiest way. And I really like to use this time to practice mindfulness, paying attention to all the details, the warmth of the cup in my hands, the taste, the quiet sounds around me. I give my mind something very specific to focus on instead of letting it run its own course. And the more I practice that, the easier it becomes to actually stay here and move through the rest of my morning feeling a little more calm and centered. Even something like lighting a candle, it's such a small act, but it shifts the energy of the space. And it kind of sends a signal to your mind and body that this moment matters. It's important, that you're not rushing through it. You're actually here for it. Slowing down is really about all of these small, tiny details. One of the habits that's helped me the most is meditation. I've been meditating consistently for the past 8 years, and it's completely changed the way that I experience my mornings. I used to have a very chaotic mind. It was always jumping from one thought to the next, constantly overthinking, worrying, never really feeling present. And meditation helped me train my mind to come back to the present moment, to slow down my thoughts, and to just be, which is something many of us find really uncomfortable. We're afraid to be alone with ourselves. We're afraid to be alone with our thoughts. But the breath is a wonderful companion. The more you gently bring your attention back to it, again and again, the easier it becomes to quiet the mind and be comfortable in this stillness. I also like to add a small gratitude practice here, placing my hands over my heart and thinking of a few things I'm grateful for. I think sometimes we can overthink gratitude, like it has to be something big to actually count, but it's often the simplest things. The breath moving in and out of the body, the ability to see, your heart quietly beating, the body carrying you through the day, the space you call home, the people you love. And when you really think about it, you start to realize those seemingly small things, they're not small at all. There is so much to be grateful for. Today is Sunday, so I give myself a little more time to enjoy a calming activity like reading. Not to finish a chapter or be productive, just to enjoy this quiet moment. I think we spend a lot of time trying to get somewhere that we forget what it feels like to simply be where we are. Life isn't only about doing, accomplishing, and achieving. It's also about being content and satisfied with the simple things of life. In these moments, they may seem small, maybe to some even insignificant, but they're really not, because they help us create a space to breathe and to just be. And I think we all need a little more of that. As much as I enjoy intense workouts like strength training and cardio, there's nothing like a slow and gentle stretch routine. I just follow along with the routine on YouTube and just let myself be guided instead of thinking too much about what to do. What I love most is how it reconnects me to my body, like noticing where I feel tight, where I feel stiff, where I need a little more softness, maybe spend a little more time. It's so important to be in tune with your body and listen to it. And this is another one of those habits that I've been practicing for years, and I've noticed how much it's improved not only my mobility, but also my flexibility. Because life is all about balance. It's not always about the intense workouts, it's also about being gentle with your body. I used to think having a calm morning meant I needed more time, but I've realized it's not really about having more time, because like I mentioned earlier, you can do the exact same activity from a state of stress or from a state of peace. So it's more about how you use the time you already have. Even a few minutes of slowing down can completely change how your morning feels. But when something is important to you, you naturally make time for it. So sometimes slowing down means giving yourself enough time to actually experience your morning. If you want to enjoy your breakfast calmly and slowly, you might want to wake up 30 minutes earlier. Or if you simply want to add a few minutes of intentional breathing, then maybe 5 to 10 minutes earlier is more than enough. It all goes back to what your intention is. I personally really enjoy eating my breakfast slowly. From making it to eating it, I like to really take my time, savor my food, and just enjoy this moment. But we all have different lifestyles and different priorities, so it's really all about adapting your intention with whatever season of life you're currently in. I also like to make sure I step outside every morning, even for a few minutes, because being in nature, it really slows you down without you even trying. Everything moves at its own pace, nothing is rushing, and it reminds you, you don't have to rush either. The way we move through our mornings quietly shapes the way we move through our lives. When everything begins in a rush, it's easy to carry that feeling with you. But when you give yourself even a little space, a little slowness, even if you don't have a lot of time and all you do is light a candle, it changes how the rest of the day feels. We all deserve to move through life feeling present, not rushed, not behind, but here, in this moment. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts about slow living in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon.